Okay.
Okay, cool. My name is Mark Simmons. I'm the co-founder of We Soaps. I make, this is my company right here. We are on Facebook and Instagram. We love to hear the feedback from the people who have tried our products, and we are constantly posting about our new and exciting products and updates to current products. I'm the co-founder of the company with Michelle Atkinson Redwine. She's the reason this whole thing exists. This was her dream, and I'm just here to support her, so I do my best. What we have is front and center is our soap rack. Soap was one of our first products that we started with, and we have a couple different varieties. Down here, these 6 bars are unscented. These are going to have just they're going to have a shea butter scent to them. And then if you come over here, this row right here is peppermint. This row right here starts with pink grapefruit, moves to apple, and then we have our lavender soaps. And then up at the top we have our premium scent. That's our pumpkin spice. And if we have kind of like a price tier here, our premium scents are always going to be $12. Our classic scent line, basically any soap that has a non-premium scent is going to be $10, and then these unscented bars would be $8. Now, all of our soaps have these quality ingredients in them. 5 oils plus a lye water solution. And these guys right here will actually smell mostly like shea butter because they have no scent in them. The only ingredient that's not on our ingredient list is the fragrance oil that's used in each, and we'll tell you what that fragrance is right off the bat. All of our ingredients are quality, and we get them from responsibly sourced locations, so no sort of like ecosystem or habitat destroying processes. We don't want any of that. And we are mostly eco-friendly in that regard. Our packaging for the soap is biodegradable. Over here we have what are called mix-em-ups. These are smaller hunks of soap that you get to pick to just mix them up. All of our scents except for pumpkin spice are in this basket. You just gotta find what you want. These guys are $3 each, 2 for $5 and 5 for $12. And then over here we have our bath bombs. And so far we just have pink grapefruit and lavender bath bombs. These are great for kids. They're a lot of fun, and they turn the water a nice hue of whatever the color they are, and they'll release a fragrance with it. And it has a little bit of moisturization that goes into it. These are shower steamers. They're for people who want the bath bomb experience but don't take baths. So you just put it in the back of the shower, it fizzes and releases a nice aroma. And then if we move over here, we're dealing with our premium bath bombs, which are just like our regular bath bombs, but they cost a little bit extra because of the scent. And then we have bath truffles. Now, bath truffles are like the grown-up version of bath bomb. Instead of creating a foam, they create actually a bubble bath, but they can't just be put in the tub. You have to run them under hot water as you start to fill up the tub, and then that's how the oils will melt and it'll create a bubble bath. And the difference between bath bombs and bath truffles is that the bath truffles have a higher concentration of oils and moisturization ingredients. And then last but not least, this is our bath bomb dust. This is literally just our bath bombs, but in loose form. You get to pick how much bath bomb goes into your bath, and so a lot of people get anywhere from 3 to 5 uses from that. So again, we're We Soaps. Our products are all vegan hemp, and we're not 100% eco-friendly yet, but we're getting there. Check us out at the Richmond Farm Market and any event that's in mid-eastern Indiana or southwestern Ohio.
So this is our 1 pound variety box. It has golden cap oyster, pink oyster, blue oyster, and lion's mane. Lion's mane is one mushroom that you can actually eat raw and it will not upset your stomach. I actually take it like a supplement 3 times a day. It has a density like a cauliflower, and it has like a sweet earthy taste to it. This is a half a pound of all of these dehydrated, because some people, they want the benefits of mushrooms but they don't like the texture, so that's a nice option. And then we also have a half a pound of just the blue oyster. And then we also have some grow kits. This is the lion's mane, and this is the pink oyster. And how you get these to grow, all the substrate and mycelium and everything is already in the bag. You just make an X with the knife and spray water in it twice a day. After about a week and a half, 2 weeks, it'll start flushing out. And when the stem is really small on this one, that's how you know when to harvest it. Then they go dormant for about a week and a half. You keep spraying so it doesn't dry out, and then it'll start flushing again. So you end up getting about 2.5 pounds out of these.
So I see you have this about the mushroom health.
Yes. Now there's a lot of health benefits, and mushrooms are the only, other than the sun, mushrooms are the only way that vegans can get vitamin D.
See, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And they're 30% protein, a lot of vitamins in them. Very good for your immune system.
They're beautiful.
Thank you.
And what is your shop called?
It is Muncie Mushrooms, so we're out of Muncie.
All right,
And
great.
we also have a recipe on the back.
All right, oh, let me show that recipe.
Yeah.
Cool. Can anyone order your stuff online or?
We do not have that set up yet, but we are getting ready to get into fresh time grocery stores.
Okay.
So right now we're just going around to the flea market or to the farmers markets.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.